Well, American Punch was founded in 1990, and they started in the structural steel stamping industry. So we make punches and dies for heavy gauge steel, whether it's structural steel for roofing, bridges, stamping for the automotive industry, appliances.
American Punch was experiencing demands from their customers, and the customer demands were that they be able to have faster production rates and increase the amount of stock that they were carrying to meet the customer's lean manufacturing needs. The option that LNS was able to offer American Punch was the LNS eConnect system. It's a very unique solution for this customer's needs and many other customers' needs.
So we at American Punch have always prided ourselves in implementing new technology, new functionality, and so this bar feed has really allowed us to increase productivity. How it's helped us is in our production line for stock, parts that we actually keep on the shelf for the customer. We would have a baseline of 5,000 parts a week. So by being able to implement this one machine that we set up to be able to run on its own, be able to run at night and tie these together so that instead of waiting for this production to get done at 50 pieces and it stops, waits for an operator to reset it up, it just keeps going.
So with the ability now to share data through the LNS eConnect system, it allows us to then process more intelligently on the machine tool what we want the next steps of our process to be. For instance, if we had 3 parts and quantities to each one of those parts, the machine tool through a scheduling program would be able to determine what's the order to most efficiently make these 3 parts. They can analyze the quantity needed of each part and how much material that there actually is. These are the big benefits of the LNS eConnect system.
Working with LNS, checking out different bar feeds. And when you go to like the IMTS show, you go about looking at all the different avenues of different companies, and you try and find the right person in that company, maybe on the floor, to get the questions or the answers to the questions that you're looking for. So when I came across LNS, I had very specific questions that I was looking for, very specific problems I was trying to address, and they were able to really work with me and help me to understand the functionality of the bar feed, what they're capable of, what they're not capable of, and so it's been very beneficial working with LNS.